To the superwomen juggling endless to-do lists, navigating carpools, conquering mountains of laundry, and still somehow finding the energy to kiss scraped knees and read bedtime stories. Does the very thought of prioritizing your own health feel like an impossible luxury, a distant dream drowned out by the constant demands of motherhood? What if I told you that thriving, not just surviving, is within your grasp, not through adding more to your already overflowing plate, but by embracing a handful of surprisingly simple, almost counterintuitive, health hacks that leverage the chaos of your day for profound well-being? In this groundbreaking video, we're cutting through the noise and unrealistic expectations to deliver 5 genuinely surprising health hacks meticulously designed for the unique challenges of busy moms. This isn't about lengthy workouts or elaborate meal prep. It's about intelligent, scientifically backed strategies that integrate seamlessly into your already packed schedule, transforming tiny pockets of time into powerful moments for self-care. You'll discover how to reclaim your energy, sharpen your focus, boost your mood, and strengthen your immune system, all without adding an ounce of extra stress. Our promise is authentic, actionable insights that will not only resonate deeply but will equip you with the practical tools to sustain your health amidst the beautiful whirlwind of motherhood, ensuring high retention and immediate, tangible benefits for you and your entire family. Life as a busy mom is a beautiful, chaotic symphony. It's a constant dance between nurturing, managing, and performing, often leaving your own well-being on the back burner. The conventional advice, find time for yourself, exercise more, eat perfectly, often feels like a cruel joke when every minute is accounted for. This isn't about guilt or perfection, it's about strategic self-preservation. It's about understanding that your health is not a luxury, but the very fuel that allows you to be the best mother, partner, and individual you can be. We're about to unveil hacks that don't demand more time, but rather cleverly repurpose existing moments, turning overlooked opportunities into powerful health wins. Our first surprising health hack, a true game changer for reclaiming your mental and physical energy, is the micro-movement burst, turning chores into fitness opportunities. You might envision exercise as a dedicated, uninterrupted block of time, an hour at the gym, a long run. But for a busy mom, that's often an elusive fantasy. The twist here is that any movement, no matter how small, counts and accumulates to significant health benefits. Instead of viewing chores as mere obligations, transform them into mini workouts. Think of unloading the dishwasher. Instead of bending once, do 5-10 squats as you put dishes away. Carrying laundry baskets? Do calf raises while walking. Waiting for the kettle to boil? Do wall sits or lunges. Playing with your kids? Turn it into a dynamic, active session, chase them, do burpees while they run around, mimic their animal movements. The scientific payoff is profound. Even short bursts of high-intensity activity, known as exercise snacks, have been shown to improve cardiovascular health, boost metabolism, and enhance mood. These micro-movements break up sedentary periods, increase blood flow, and provide mini doses of endorphins. This isn't about replacing your dedicated workout, if you're lucky enough to have one. It's about adding movement where it currently doesn't exist, turning mundane tasks into sneaky fitness gains. Imagine how many squats you could accumulate just by doing laundry and loading groceries. This hack leverages the reality of your day, making your existing commitments work for your health, rather than against it, leading to sustained energy and a more toned physique without the guilt of not having time. Our second truly transformative hack, designed to combat the insidious effects of chronic stress and mental overwhelm, is the sensory reset minute, calming your nervous system in 60 seconds. As a busy mom, your nervous system is often in a constant state of low-grade, fight or flight, fueled by endless demands, unexpected meltdowns, and the pressure of keeping everything afloat. This chronic stress silently drains your energy, impairs your focus, and can even contribute to stubborn belly fat. The twist here is that you don't need a full meditation retreat to recalibrate. You can achieve a powerful nervous system reset in just 60 seconds, using your senses. When you feel the tension mounting, perhaps during a toddler tantrum, a stressful phone call, or simply the overwhelming realization of your to-do list, pause. Pick one sense and intensely focus on it for 1 minute. Look closely at a plant, observing every detail of its leaves. Listen intently to the sound of birds outside your window, or the gentle hum of the refrigerator. Feel the texture of your clothes against your skin, or the cool sensation of water on your hands. Smell your favorite essential oil, or even just the scent of clean laundry. The scientific payoff. By intentionally engaging one sense, you pull your attention away from the racing thoughts and shift your focus to the present moment. This simple act activates your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, effectively counteracting the fight or flight response. It lowers cortisol levels, slows your heart rate, and brings you back to a state of calm. This isn't about solving the problem. It's about regulating your internal state so you can approach the problem with more clarity and less reactivity. It's a powerful tool for maintaining mental resilience and preventing burnout, turning moments of stress into opportunities for profound internal recentering. Our third ingenious hack, targeting both nutrition and precious time, is the sneaky nutrient bomb, meal prep, batching for invisible health. The idea of meal prep often conjures images of endless hours in the kitchen on Sunday, meticulously portioning out containers. For a busy mom, this is often unsustainable. The twist is to integrate nutrient-dense batch cooking into your existing cooking rhythms, leveraging multitasking. Instead of cooking just enough rice for dinner, cook a double batch and use the extra for a quick stir-fry or salad base tomorrow. Chopping vegetables for one meal? Chop extra for raw snacks or to add to an omelet later. Baking chicken? Roast extra breasts to shred for sandwiches or wraps. Make a large pot of lentil soup or bean chili. These are nutrient powerhouses that get better with age and freeze beautifully. The intelligent payoff. You front-load your nutrition effort. When hunger strikes or chaos erupts, you have healthy, nutrient-dense components ready to assemble into a full meal or quick snack, preventing you from reaching for processed, energy-draining options. This ensures a consistent intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are critical for sustained energy, improved mood, and even better skin and hair. You're not adding more cooking time, you're just being smarter about the cooking you're already doing, ensuring your body receives the fuel it needs to keep up with the demands of motherhood, without the daily struggle of, what's for dinner? This transforms your kitchen into an energy-generating hub, making healthy eating almost effortless. Our fourth surprising hack, designed to optimize your brainpower and emotional regulation amidst the chaos, is the strategic silence, micro break, recharging your cognitive batteries. As a busy mom, your brain is constantly processing information, solving problems, and responding to countless stimuli. This continuous cognitive load leads to mental fatigue, decision fatigue, and often, irritability. The twist here is that even a minute or two of complete silence and stillness can have a profound impact on your cognitive function and emotional state. This isn't about meditating, it's about actively disengaging from all external input. It could be while your kids are briefly engrossed in a show, during a red light in the car, or even a moment in the bathroom. Close your eyes. Drop your shoulders. Take a deep breath. For 60,120 seconds, simply be. Resist the urge to check your phone, plan your next task, or mentally replay arguments. The scientific payoff. Studies show that even short periods of silence allow your brain's default mode network to reset, promoting mental clarity, reducing mental clutter, and enhancing creativity. It lowers brainwave activity, reducing the overstimulation that leads to mental exhaustion. It's a mini reboot for your overloaded brain, allowing you to return to your tasks with renewed focus, patience, and a calmer demeanor. This simple act transforms moments of unavoidable waiting or brief quiet into powerful opportunities for mental restoration, allowing you to sustain higher levels of cognitive function and emotional resilience throughout your incredibly demanding day. Our fifth and final transformative health hack, often the first casualty of a busy mom's schedule, is the bookend breathing ritual, anchoring your day with intentional calm. Sleep often feels like the ultimate luxury, an uninterrupted block of time that rarely materializes. While quality sleep is crucial, the twist is that even if you can't control the quantity of sleep, you can profoundly influence its quality and your waking state by bookending your day with intentional, conscious breathing. In the morning, before you fully engage with the day's demands, even just a minute before getting out of bed, take 5-10 deep, slow breaths, focusing on filling your belly and exhaling fully. Similarly, at night, After the kids are settled, or even just before you crash into bed, repeat this simple breathing exercise. The intelligent payoff. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing immediately activates your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling to your body that it's safe to rest and digest. In the morning, it primes your body for a calmer, more focused start, reducing the cortisol spike that often accompanies rushing. At night, it tells your body it's time to wind down, facilitating a smoother transition into restorative sleep, even if that sleep is fragmented. This simple, 2-minute ritual, strategically placed at the start and end of your day, cumulatively reduces chronic stress, improves oxygenation, and enhances your body's ability to repair and restore itself, leading to more sustained energy and a greater sense of calm throughout your hectic schedule. It's a tiny investment with monumental returns for your overall well-being. The life of a busy mom is a testament to immense love, sacrifice, and endless dedication. But your health is not a sacrifice you can afford to make. We've unlocked 5 surprising, scientifically backed health hacks that don't demand more of your precious time, but rather cleverly integrate into the rhythm of your already full days. Micro-movement bursts, sensory reset minutes, sneaky nutrient bomb meal prep, strategic silence micro breaks, and bookend breathing rituals. These aren't just tips, they are intelligent strategies to infuse well-being into the very fabric of your chaotic, beautiful life. Begin by choosing just one hack that resonates most deeply with you. Implement it consistently for a week. Notice the subtle shifts, the renewed energy, the moments of calm you never thought possible. Remember, dear mom, you cannot pour from an empty cup. By embracing these simple yet profound strategies, you are not just taking care of yourself. You are fortifying the very foundation of your family's well-being. Your resilience, your energy, and your vibrant presence are the greatest gifts you can give. Start today, one intelligent, tiny hack at a time, and reclaim the powerful, healthy woman you are meant to be.